Oh hey guys, okay, so got this in the post from Amazon. It's a cover for your IBC tanks. So I paid about, I think it's about $23.99 with delivery. Hopefully this fits. Nice and snug fit. So yeah, it comes with straps, so you can attach it to the base of the IBC tank, and it's got its own flap down the bottom. And if you can see this, yeah, so it's got its own flap, and basically there is a Velcro cover that you can pull back, but I do need to cut a hole in mine. I do apologise about the wind. I've been trying to get this done all day. What I need to do is basically cut a hole in mine so I can fit my pipe through. Got no choice. I need to do that. Let's just put this down for a sec. Okay, so I had to cut a hole in the flap of mine, so I can fit my hopper in there and my pipes. But it does, obviously the size of the box, the hopper, it does sit over the hole, protecting it. I'm quite pleased with this. Hopefully it will protect the tank from the sunlight, and obviously slow down the process of my tank going green, and probably less cleaning. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe. As I always keep saying, it is going to a good cause, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.